Visit Jodd Fair Night Market and Esplanade Mall at Rama 9 Param 9 area, Bangkok, Thailand. If you're living around the ASOK Sukhumvit area of Bangkok, take the Sukhumvit MRT station to the Param 9 station Rama 9 to get to the Jodd Fair. There is a signboard at the Sukhumvit MRT station, which will tell you which train to take to get to the Param 9 station. If you want to get to the Esplanade Mall, then you can take the same train that takes you to Param 9 station to get to the Thailand Cultural Center station, which is close to the Esplanade Mall.
This is the subway station at Sukhumvit, where we will take the subway train MRT to the Jodd Fair night market at Rama 9 station, Param 9 in Thai. We are walking out of the Param 9, Rama 9 station to the Jodd Fair from the MRT station, the MRT Rama 9 station.
To get to the Jodd Fair from the MRT station, you have to pass by the Fortune Town and walk towards the Unilever building.
Unilever building, and you can see the Central Plaza side and the T Tower side. And then next to the Unilever building, you'll get to the Jodd Fair. This is the entrance to the Jodd Fair market. You can see all the varieties of food and shopping that you'll get at the Jodd Fair. This is the Jodd Fair's market.
At the entrance of the Jodd Fair, you'll come across an automated drink machine where you'll find varieties of drinks like boba teas and various other drinks. Plus, you'll come across a lot of eating places. You'll find a lot of fashion bags you can buy at the Jodd Fair.
And you can buy a lot of bags, different varieties of bags you can find for fashion.
Not only bags, you can also find fashion clothing and different fashion items at this market.
You can find this famous Youtiao Chinese donuts called Patongko at the market. This is the menu for the donuts. It's called Patongko in Thai. These are various shops and places you can find around the Jodd Fair market.
There's a photo booth shop at the Jodd Fair market called the Photo Automat, where you can go visit and take cute photos with friends or family that you can print out for memories. You can get ice cream and a cold drink next to the photo booth shop when you visit the Jodd Fair. This is the drink shop.
An order here is like boba tea, all those teas, different type of teas you can get here. Cold brew, and there's all this. And juices, fresh fruit. Trinkets and bracelets and all at the market. A lot of nice trinkets and like dream catchers. And so this is a short version of the Jodd Fair. And to find the Jodd Fair, you have to go find this Unilever building. And once you get to the Unilever building, then you'll get to the Jodd Fair.
After visiting the Jodd Fair, you can take a fun local Thai taxi called a tuk-tuk towards the Sukhumvit area to the Terminal 21 Asoke and Robinson Mall, where you can get a bite to eat like a burger at the McDonald's that's open 24 hours. You can get a delicious chicken burger at the McDonald's. You can visit the ESPLANADE Mall, which is one stop away from the Param 9 station that takes you to the Jodd Fair. ESPLANADE is located next to the Thailand Culture Center MRT subway station.
There's a movie theater at the ESPLANADE Mall. You can watch various movies at the ESPLANADE Mall, like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which is just releasing on August 24th. So you can watch this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie at the ESPLANADE Mall. There's a lot of places to shop, eat at the ESPLANADE Mall. You'll find the B2S stationery store at the ESPLANADE Mall, the B2S shop, and a lot of shops where you can buy like luggages, and there's a lot of beauty shops for if you want any beauty treatment done, and a lot of clothing, souvenirs which you can buy. There's like varieties of a lot of luggages, like if you're trying to go travel or something, you can buy luggages here. See like varieties of different types of luggages and souvenirs and like lamps and all that home decor items. Like Thai souvenirs you want to buy, take with you back, like keychains, like, you know, some gift items, like something souvenirs for your trip in Thailand. So a lot of stuff you can buy. You can find a Boots pharmacy like store at the ESPLANADE Mall. So Boots is kind of like Watson's or CVS in the US. So you can find like pharmacy items like your medications, on-the-counter medications, toiletries, and all those kind of things at the Boots. And also like, you know, makeup items and stuff like that. So this is like Boots. It's kind of like a CVS in the US. And then you can also find like clothing items. You can walk around, find like clothing items, like different types of clothing items. Like if you want to buy a shirt for yourself, different types. So like here are different type of shirts you can buy. And they're mostly on sale, so it's like outlet big sale, like open market type thing. So you can get all these, you know, outlet type clothes. It's like a outlet bazaar type thing. So you can buy jackets, you can buy clothes, all on sale. So like these kind of things. Pants, pajamas. See? I think these are all men's stuff, so you can find a lot of men outlet clothing. It's like export surprise big sale. So the export surprise big sale, like the export sale thing. So I think these are export items. So like maybe outlet, like store rejects or like, you know, from brands and stuff. If you want to get a Hawaiian shirt for your trip, like you can buy one. So all these things. If you're a woman and looking to buy cheap bras and sports bras, you can come to the shop where you can find lots of bras for like cheap prices, like $290, $270, and like inners for yourself. The shop is called FB Bras. It's at the entrance of the ESPLANADE Mall. It's on the first floor, so you can find a lot of clothing items, like also like electronic stuff, shoes, fashion stuff, clothing, shoes, a lot of nice shirts, fashion clothings and stuff, and mobile cases, like cell phone cases. A lot of restaurants and beauty shops you can find at ESPLANADE Mall. This restaurant called Jones Salad. You can check this out if you're looking for something healthy to eat. You'll find a lot of trinkets you can buy. Like there's a retro market, so you can find a lot of trinkets and stuff you want to buy. And more sportswear, bras, inners that you want to buy, shoes, bags, a lot of stuff.
Visit Blu-O Rhythm and Bowl, Esplanade Ratcheta.
Welcome to ESPLANADE Mall, where you can come and play bowling on your weekends or your time free. This is the bowling alley called Blu-O. It's very vibrant and has very nice music, and you can enjoy yourself with your friends and your family. Bowling and enjoying some snacks at the Blu-O bowling alley. This is a very vibrant, colorful bowling alley. To the Blu-O bowling alley, you come here and check your size of your shoes, and then you can get your shoes to play bowling. Chart of your shoe size.
Don't forget to wear your socks or carry your socks when you come play bowling at the Blu-O. You can also get some socks at the Blu-O bowling alley.
This is the Blu-O bowling alley. If you want to have a good time and bowl and celebrate your birthday and have lots of fun with vibrant music, then do come to Blu-O at ESPLANADE, Param 9, Arama 9. Param 9 is the station if you take the MRT. It's called ESPLANADE Mall.
You can visit the ESPLANADE Mall if you're planning to go visit the Rama 9 Jodd Fair night market. Since the Jodd Fair is walking distance to the ESPLANADE Mall, you can chill, bowl, catch a movie, do some shopping, and grab a bite to eat before you head out to the Jodd Fair night market to do more shopping and enjoy street food. If you're heading back to the Sukhumvit and ASOK Mall area and craving for some Burger King chicken sandwich, you can go grab a sandwich or burger at the Burger King located at the Shell Gas petrol station at ASOK Mall.
The Burger King is located at ASOK Shell petrol station.
Explore Bangkok with bkksfguide to experience the local culture, shopping, and food. Subscribe and follow at bkksfguide on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.